Hello students, now today we discuss the combination. Now combination which will represent by the C. Now it represent NCR. NCR equal to factorial N upon factorial R N minus R factorial. This is the representation of combination. This is the representation of combination such that NCR, the all object Bn and take selected R object from the N object, it can be written as NCR. Combination is the selection of an object and permutation is the arrangement of an object. So the NCR, now we find the solution of NC8 equal to NC2. NC8 equal to NC2. NC8 equal to NC2. Find NC2. Find NC2. NC2. Therefore, factorial n upon factorial 8 n minus 8 factorial equal to factorial n upon factorial 2 n minus 2 factorial. So therefore, if one property is given NCx equal to NCy, therefore n is equal to x plus y. N is equal to x plus y. Therefore, factorial n upon factorial 8 n minus 8 factorial factorial n upon factorial 2 n minus factorial 2. This is the extension of that, but we cannot solve this method because this is a very longer and we use the property of that NCx equal to NCy and n is equal to x plus y. So a plus 2 equal to n implies that n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 and NC2 equal to 10C2, that implies factorial 10 upon factorial 2 10 minus 2 factorial and factorial 10 upon factorial 2 factorial 8 10 into 9 into factorial 8 upon 2 into 1 into factorial 8. Factorial 8 cancel, 2 5 are 10, that's equal to 45. That's equal to 45. And therefore this is the solution of that. 9C8 equal to 9C2. Find NC2. देखो, अगर ऊपर के दोनों इक्वल हैं तो इस प्रॉपर्टी से NCx इक्वल टू NCy, यहाँ से n की वैल्यू x प्लस y के इक्वल होगी और यहाँ से n की वैल्यू 8 प्लस 2 के इक्वल होगी. n इक्वल टू 8 प्लस 2 and n is equal to 10. Now we put the value of n in NC2 equal to 10C2 and we find the result and we get the result is 45. Clear? Next question. 2nc determine n, if determine n if 2nc3 ratio nc2 equal to 12:1 देखिए 2nc3 upon 2nc3 upon nc2 equal to 12/1 factorial 2n upon factorial 3 2n minus factorial 3 upon factorial n factorial 2 n minus factorial 2 equal to 12/1. It can be written as 2n factorial into 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial upon factorial 3 into 2n minus 3 factorial upon factorial n equal to 12/1 clear. Now factorial 2n minus 1 2n minus 2 2n minus 3 factorial into factorial 2 into n minus 2 factorial upon equal to 12/1 factorial 3 into factorial 2 2n minus 3 factorial n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial 2n minus 3 factorial cancel n minus 2 factorial cancel factorial 2 factorial 2 cancel 2n minus 1 2n minus 2 upon 3 n minus 1 equal to 12/1 2n minus 1 2n 2 common n minus 1 upon 3 into n minus 1 n minus 1 cancel n cancel 12/1 2n minus 1